Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Shopify partner account. This free program offers powerful tools for developers, designers, and agencies. You can create unlimited development stores, manage client projects, and build custom solutions. It's your central hub for growing a successful Shopify-focused business, providing everything you need to succeed in the ecosystem. We'll cover the essential features and how to leverage them for maximum benefit. Development stores are free, fully functional Shopify accounts. You can create unlimited stores to build and test apps or themes, or to set up a client store. These stores provide a safe sandbox environment, allowing you to experiment without affecting live merchant operations. Once ready, you can transfer ownership to your client seamlessly, ensuring a smooth handover and professional service delivery. As a Shopify partner, you can develop and sell custom apps and themes. Utilize the Shopify CLI and Polaris design system to create integrated solutions that enhance merchant stores. You can list your creations on the Shopify App Store or Theme Store, earning a significant percentage of the revenue from your sales. This is a fantastic way to monetize your development skills and reach a global audience. Your partner dashboard is key for managing clients and tracking your earnings. You can oversee all your client stores from one central place, monitoring their progress and performance. For every client you refer through a development store, you earn a recurring commission of 20% of their monthly subscription fee. The dashboard also provides comprehensive financial reporting, giving you clear insights into your revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.